blowing the dust off of one of these cartridges was never the answer. Weird, huh? Today we're going to talk about a strange, puzzling phenomenon from the 80s with the side-loading Nintendo Entertainment System, and how it can affect our thinking and how it can affect what ideas get popular and stick. So in the 80s, one common, for people my age, when you were a kid, common frustration was you're trying to play a game, right? You put the cartridge in. Here we got Mega Man 5. You turn the power on, you get a blue screen, or you get a flashing blue screen or something. Something went wrong, right? And so everyone knew that the way to solve that is you took the cartridge out, you blow on it, get the dust off, because the dust is the problem. The dust is blocking the contacts and the electricity and all that. And then you put it back in. You turn it on. Oh, it still didn't work. Must still be dust in there, right? You take it out, you blow on it, put it in. It worked. I got all the dust off. And I solved the problem, right? But that's not what you were doing. It turns out that the problem, and the problem always was the lateral leeway in this design of the NES. And it's a design flaw. The top-loading NES does not have this issue. You can have a pretty dusty cartridge. You put it in a top loader, it'll work every time. But with this guy, you got this lateral leeway. And so what you're actually doing every time you blow the dust and put it back in is you're just adjusting the lateral alignment until you get it right. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So here we got Mega Man 5. I just tweak the lateral alignment a little bit, turn it off, turn it back on. Game works. Easy as that. Now, ideas, memes, their popularity is not necessarily a function of truth. It's a function of virulence, how well does it spread, and resilience, how well does it stick. And if the solution seems to work, it doesn't exactly matter for the virulence and resilience of the idea that it does not represent the truth. We are used to trusting what is popular, especially if everyone seems to be saying it, even the purported experts. I mean, this thing blowing a cartridge is a common, nostalgic, sentimental childhood ritual that we all know and love, but it was never true. But it was useful, and useful is enough. And what that means is that when we look at what is popular, even popular among experts, we have to question whether there is an explanation for why those heuristics that we trust could be captured by something. We don't want to be conspiratorial where conspiracy is not plausible, right? So whenever we think about, oh, why might a heuristic be corrupted? We need to think about, oh, there's got to be a reason why this could have gone nuclear in terms of memetics, even though it was not true. And the side-loading NES issue, blowing on the cartridge, is just a wonderful example of that.